Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy A02s. Okay, the first thing I want to show you is the one-handed mode because the phone is very large, as you know, and you cannot reach everything with one thumb and so on. But you can make the screen a bit smaller by just swiping down the home button, and then you can reach everything with one thumb, and you can completely navigate here, playing games and so on. And yeah, but you have to enable this feature first. Don't wonder if it doesn't work right now at you, because you have to enable it first. Okay, for that, just scroll down here, then go here to the symbol for the settings, tap it, then scroll down to the point Advanced Features, tap it, and here we will need this point here, the one-handed mode. And this point here, the one-handed mode, has to be enabled, then it has to be marked blue. And then it works if you just swipe down the home button here, then you are at the one-handed mode. So you have a mini screen then, and as I said, you can completely navigate here. You can play games and doing all your stuff. If you're using the other hand, so this is for left-handed people here, but here's a little arrow, and if you tap on that arrow, you have it on the other hand, and you can also navigate easily. Yeah, and if you're ready with your stuff and so on, if you want to go back to the regular mode, to the full screen, so just tap here on the black field and you're back at the regular mode. Yeah, the next feature I want to show you is for the camera, because you can quick launch the camera by just double tapping the power button. You are immediately at the camera without wasting time for looking for the camera app and so on. And what is also very nice, also if your phone is on standby, no? Then also it works. Just double tap here twice at the power button and you are immediately at the camera and don't miss a nice picture maybe. The next feature is about to make the phone a bit faster, because if you may open an app here like the Google Play Store, you see it zooms out, and if I close it, it zooms in, and you can remove these animations. Let me show you one more time. So it zooms out, and if I close it, it zooms in. So you can remove these animations, and that will make the phone a bit faster. So let me show you what I mean. So just scroll down here and go to the symbol for the settings, and then go to the point Advanced Features. And this point we need here to reduce the animations. If I tap it right now and close this app here for the settings, it is immediately closed. Let me show you now with the Play Store or with another app. Take the Play Store. The Play Store is immediately there without zooming out and so on, and also with no animation. So it is closed. Yeah. So your phone will become a bit quicker with that. And by the way, I'm sorry I've injured my hand, as you could see maybe already. And yeah, I hope it doesn't disturb you too much. And so let's continue with the next point, because you can clone apps with that phone. You can have maybe 2 WhatsApp accounts. Oh, you can have 2 Facebook accounts, so also 2 Messenger apps and so on. That is possible. You can have that. And yeah, let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so first of all, just scroll down here and go to the symbol for the settings. I think you know this already. Then we need most of the time now the advanced features here, because there are many nice tools in there. And there's also, if you scroll down a bit, the dual messenger mode. So if you tap it, you have now here a list of your apps, which one supported by this feature, which one are supported by that feature. In my case, it would be WhatsApp and Facebook. So if I go here now on this point to install a second WhatsApp account, he's doing that, and he will ask you also maybe at your phone. I've done it already here before. Maybe at your phone, he will ask you if you want to have a separate contact list. So that means that you can have an own contact list for the second app. So what is very useful. In case you want to do it later, it is also possible here. You can have it also always here to use a separate contact list as well. And yeah, Facebook, I will do the same. I want to install a second Facebook app and so on. As I said, you can do this also with the Messenger app, but not with the Messenger Lite app, by the way. So you need the main Messenger app. Okay, it doesn't work also with Twitter and Instagram and so on, but maybe soon. Okay, let's have a look now in the app drawer. So this is my main Facebook account. And now I have here my second Facebook account, and you can recognize it here with the orange corner. The same with WhatsApp. This is my main WhatsApp account, and the one with the orange corner here would be my second one. And yeah, it is very nice with the WhatsApp because you can insert 2 SIM cards here. Why not having a second WhatsApp account? Okay, the next thing I want to show you is something to hide apps, because if you don't want that everyone sees which apps you're having here at the app drawer and so on, which apps you're using for, or that you have a second WhatsApp account or something like this, you can hide apps here in the app drawer. Let me show you how you can do that. Let's hide here Twitter and the second WhatsApp account, just for an example. Okay, how you can do that? So go on the main screen, go on the home screen here, then pinch in with 2 fingers that you can have this view here. And now we need the home screen settings. Tap it. So and if you scroll down now the home screen settings, we have here the point hide apps. So, and now you can choose the apps you want to hide. Let's take, I said here, let's take Netflix, for example. Let's take here the second WhatsApp account, and I think I said to remove Twitter as well. Okay, so now we have these 3 apps here, which one are removed from our app drawer if we go here on done. Okay, now they shouldn't be there in the app drawer, and as you can see, the second the second WhatsApp account is missing. The same with the Twitter account here as well, and also my Netflix doesn't. It's not shown here. So yeah, but how to go there to these apps in case I need it? Yeah, how to have it? No one can see it, but I want to use it. And how to use it? You can use it if you go here on the search bar. No? Go on the search bar and may look now for maybe Twitter. Then you're it's already here. So now I can enter Twitter. The same with Netflix, the same with also with the second WhatsApp account. Just enter here a part of the app or of the name of the app, and it will shown here at your search results. Yeah, the next feature I want to show you is also a basic feature. Maybe you have seen it already here at my videos. You can make also a screenshot here with the Samsung Galaxy A02s, of course, by using the power button and the volume down button. If you press these both buttons, you can have a screenshot. You can picture a website or something like this. And then after you see a preview, you can edit the picture or share it directly with WhatsApp or Messenger and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button, just for short together. And if you go now here on the editing symbol, you have the chance also to just crop a part of it. If you go to the corner, made to crop maybe just a picture from a website or something like this. So here in my case, the Google bar, and you're able also to draw something inside, to mark something, to make a note, and so on. And then you can share this edited part here directly with WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on, or save it here with the arrow directly to your gallery. And too much. And yeah, you can find after your screenshots here at the gallery, as I said. Okay, and the next point I want to show you is we had the topic already. The screen is not that large and so on, but you can make the text size a bit bigger. You can zoom in a bit more in general so that the apps are bigger and so on. Okay, let me show you what I mean. So just scroll down here, go to the symbol for the settings, and then we need here this point, display. Okay, so scroll down a bit, we see the font size and style. So here we can change the text size. If we put it in the middle, then you can see so here in the example, the text is much bigger. Let me go back now one step, and you can see now in the settings, the letters are bigger, and you can also zoom in general. So if I go here on screen zoom, you can make everything a bit bigger. Ne? And let's put it on maximum that I can show you it better here, maybe also on the desktop. So now everything is a bit bigger, and also my notifications and so on are affected by, so especially if you have a bit problems with your eyes or you don't see so well anymore, we are all getting older, then it would be a nice point. Yeah, the next point I want to show you is for the flashlight or the torch. You can on and off it here at the shortcuts. I think you know already how it works. And you can make it also brighter. So let me show you what I mean. So just scroll down here and now scroll down a second time. And we have now below the torch symbol, the name torch or flashlight, maybe in your case. So tap it, so tap the written word, very important, not the icon, tap the written word, and then you are here in that view. And you can on it here as well, but what I want to show you is to change the brightness. You can make it less bright, but you can make it also, in some cases very useful, very bright. Especially if you need more light, if you want to check something in the car and so on. I had already sometimes the situations, then it is a very useful tool to make it a bit brighter. You just go on done, and it is safe also for your future flashlight activities. Yeah, and now we are already at our last point because the last point is very nice for your eyes, because especially if you're watching a lot on your smartphone in the night, you don't sleep so well maybe after. And you can enable a nice filter which one is supporting your sleep and also reduce the stress for your eyes in general, also during the day, by the way. Let me show you what I mean. So just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and here you can enable the blue light filter. And as you can see, the screen has changed already its color. The light is a bit more warm and so on. Maybe at the beginning very unusual, but I promise you, your eyes become used to after 2 or 3 days and so on. It is very nice for your eyes because it reduces the stress, sorry. And yeah, and you should use that feature here at latest at night because it would support your sleep. And if you don't want to have it on the day because it's disturbing you, I can understand, it's a bit unusual, as I said, but you want to have it for the night, you can schedule this feature that it's automatically turned on at night. So let me show you what you can do for. So don't tap here on the icon, tap on the written word, blue light filter. So first you can change here the opacity. You can make the colors of the screen a bit cooler or a bit more warm and so on. And what I want to show you is if you go here on details, you can schedule this feature as I did here. So tap here, also enable this point here, turn on as scheduled. And then I would recommend to you to take the first point here from sunset to sunrise, because always if the sun sets, then the blue light filter will be enabled automatically, and if the sun rises, the blue light filter will turn off. Okay, but you can customize also the times by your own if you want, of course. Yeah, and that's it. These are my 10 things for the Samsung Galaxy A02s. I hope you could enjoy this video and I could show you something new. It would be very nice if you can leave me maybe a nice comment or give me a thumbs up, because this would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.